Hi traders, Nathan Bray here from ACY Securities. I want to have a chat to you today as I get asked a lot of questions by subscribers on our live interactive trading feed on Telegram asking what time frame should I use, okay, when I'm trading. What is the best time frame? So I guess what I want to sort of show you today is let's use multiple time frames. Let's use one longer time frame to identify a key level, okay? Then let's zoom in and look for actual price respecting that level and showing us its changing direction. And then let's zoom in even closer to look for a trigger. It's a bit like trying to decide whether or not you need an umbrella to cross the street where you live. Okay, you might say, well, I'll look at the bomb, I'll check out the whole of Sydney weather, okay, see the radar, and then I'll zoom in on my suburb, and then I'll look out the window and say, all three are matching, this looks good, okay, I think I'll be safe to cross the street without needing an umbrella. This is the approach that we're taking to our trading. What we're really trying to achieve is by looking at different time frames, we're trying to say, is this going to improve my success? Making sure on the big picture I'm not seeing a giant cloud front coming across, but I can't see it at my window yet, but I will see it in half an hour's time. Okay, this is the approach. So let's look at the euro dollar. It's in a really wide range at the moment. Yes, the longer term trend is down. So what I'm saying is I'm looking at a key level. So I'm saying if I can see price on the daily chart go all the way up to this 79% retracement of this range. That to me looks like a key level with a longer term trend where I might look to be a seller. Now you could just enter there. You could literally put a trade on and enter there. You might be right, you might be wrong. So what I could do though is zoom in from that level. And I here want to see signs of price changing direction. So last night I was zooming in on this 4-hour chart. Now I looked at the MACD and I saw some sort of convergence, divergence occurring on the 4-hour chart. I also saw a head and shoulder pattern forming right up around this 109.75. Okay, so I'm looking at the big picture and saying this is a key level. I'm now zooming in and on the 4-hourly, I'm getting this head and shoulder pattern occurring. So price is right up against this forming right shoulder. So to go a step further, rather than just entering there and saying 2 time frames is enough, I'll zoom in on a 15-minute chart. I'll draw in a tighter trend line. I'll see that shoulder being respected and that trend line broken and my MACD on the 15-minute cross down, okay? That could trigger me into a trade where I could really manage my risk tightly. So whether I'm looking to be a day trader or whether I'm looking for potentially a swing trade or long-term trade, I can use these key levels and look for multiple time frames to give me confirmation, because that's really what I'm after, folks. So good luck with your trading, and remember, if you want access to our live interactive trading feed on Telegram with Duncan Cooper, Lenny Volpicella and myself putting up these key levels live, then hit me up on the email in the description below. But have yourself a great end to your trading week and enjoy combining your time frames.